1 year ago, 28 homes were destroyed by the Bridger Foothills Fire, and we were one of the first news crews to come up into the burn scar while the fire continued to burn. And meanwhile, just down the hill from here, thousands were coming together to raise and rally donations for those who lost their homes. Bill Fenegers was one of them. We visited him last time, and now, as you can see, he is rebuilding.
Pull into the parking lot, be ready to egress.
It's been a long year trying to figure it all out.
Driving up the road to where Bill Fenegers' home used to stand is a drive through a color spectrum. The trees turned from green back to black and brown. To Bill, with around 30 homes lost, a total of 68 structures destroyed, it's like night and day a year later.
In our development, we lost, 5 houses were lost out of 22. Everything was still so black. The ground, no trees. We took down almost 1,500 trees on our 25 acres.
There isn't a picture frame, there isn't a dish, there isn't a fork.
Looking back to that day and the last few seconds of front porch captured on Bill's home camera, he and his wife Sally lost everything in seconds. But while he remembers that part, that's not the part he holds on to now.
The core of the people that we know for all those years is what has risen to the occasion for Sally and I.
Neighbors helping neighbors.
You know where we filmed originally? He's donating to build me a new flagpole.
Bill's flag, replaced by former Gallatin County Sheriff Brian Gutkin as the fire continued to burn elsewhere, is a part of the future ground plan. And yes, he still has it.
I've told him how much it meant to me and the flag that he put up. We've kept that flag, and that flag will be the one that will fly on the new flagpole. We can look at the mountain and we know what happened. It's just amazing how nature preserves the goodness that comes out of the soil. The scars need to be there to remind people what it's all about. And so we don't forget that things can happen.
As for Bill, he says his home is expected to be complete again in 1 more year. In the Bridger Canyon foothills, I'm Cody Boyer, MTN News.